I'm chosen. So many times I wonder why. Like, why did you choose me? Why would you care about my life? And now I know that you love me. And I'm sure that I know that you called me. Out of the many others you saw me, you called me, you chose me. I'm chosen. Lord, you got me singing loud. Sweet Holy Spirit, you are the one that lives in me. You are the power. Your presence in here is all I need. Is all I need. And I will go into the world all around me. And I will show them the love that you show me. You needed someone to reach the world and you called me. You chose me. You chose me. I'm chosen. I'm chosen. Lord, you got me feeling like I'm chosen. Oh, nah, nah, nah. You didn't have to do it, but you didn't have to do it. You chose me. Oh, you got me singing. Yeah. Lord, your love, you got me singing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Brand new mercies every morning. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Lord, your grace, it overwhelms me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See your favor all around me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Lord, your love, it got me singing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Brand new mercies every morning. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Lord, your grace, it overwhelms me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See your favor all around me. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The battle's already won. So I'll keep on going strong, yeah, strong. See, I have already overcome. Oh yeah, this is my victory song, yeah. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising. 'Cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on, yeah. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. Ooh, on and on. I will keep on singing, this is my victory song. Papa, the things you do for me, Papa. Your love is so sweet, Papa. I cannot tell it all. It's not all I can recall. Papa, you qualified me and made me your own. Now I am sanctified, 'cause you are the one inside. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising. 'Cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on. Yeah. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. On and on. I will keep on singing, this is my victory song. Oh, yeah. One step, two step, three step, this is my victory song. One step, two-step, keep on marching on, yeah. And let's go one time, yeah. Oh, yeah.
What's up, Chad? Good morning, Chad. What's up? It's a brand new day here, gang. What's up, Chad? How you guys doing? Shout out to 19 viewers right now. Good morning, Chad. What's up?
Said I was signed, but now I see. Oh yeah, yeah. Said I was bound, but now I'm free. Oh yeah, yeah. Said he took the chains off of my feet. And you showed me life so differently. You took the shackles away, away. Imagine me being free, trusting you totally. I said imagine me being free, trusting you. Set the whole world is singing Hosanna, and the people are lifting you high. Set the whole world is singing Hosanna, and the people are here. Help me sing Hosanna, 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 singing hallelujah, hallelujah. Help me sing Hosanna, 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 for what he's done, for what he's done. Hosanna.
One time for my logo, my 10 over 10. Jesus be my logo. Can I hear in the man? Then I was found out free. Before I was blind, I was seen. Why won't I give you my praise when you took all my shackles away? Imagine me being free, trusting you not totally. I said imagine me being free, trusting you totally. Cause the whole world's singing Hosanna, and the people he lifting you higher. Yeah. And the whole world's singing Hosanna, and the people.
What's up, gang? Drop the energy, Chad. Drop some emojis. Drop some fire. fire. Drop some W's, man. Drop your energy in the chat, man. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Let's go, man.
Shackles on my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise it. I just wanna praise it. And you broke the chain so I can in my hand. I just wanna come on it. I just wanna come on it.
The shackles on my feet so I can dance, yeah, yeah. I just want to praise, yeah, I just want to praise. And you broke the chain so I can use my hands, oh God. I just want to rob, yeah. Got the whole world singing Hosanna, and the people he lifting you higher, yeah. Got the whole world singing Hosanna.
What's up, gang? What's up? What's up, chat? How you guys doing, chat?
Help me sing Hosanna, Hosanna, sing me hallelujah, help me sing Hosanna.
11 minutes for closure of this candle, chat. So, man, last in here, gang. We might have some potential here, right? But before we got that, drop some energies in the chat first, man. Drop the energy, gang.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just
Let's
how
go,
wild
let's
the
go.
crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is.
Drop the
I see my
energies in the
ID
chat,
status.
gang.
When I shot so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I want to lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And hey, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey, hey, hey.
This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one.
Did you realize that you are a champion? Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Like this.
All right, chat. How you guys doing, man? What a blessed morning for us, chat. How you guys doing? Oh, we're rejecting here, gang. All right, let's do the top-down analysis here, gang. If you guys ready, type ready in the chat if you guys ready for the top-down analysis here. Type ready in the chat if you guys ready, man. Type ready in the chat. All right, let's do it here. Let's start with the weekly time frame here, chat. As you can see, the weekly time frame here is starting to react here, right? So why this candle is reacting? Because we're in the all-time high now, as you can see here, and the weekly time frame re-break the previous candle high there, right? And then after that, push down further. So what will happen now is you grab the orders here already on the weekly time frame. Now you push down, right? But if we're gonna look for the daily time frame here, daily time frame, as you can see here, we have resistance right here. This is your resistance, or this is your resistance, or this is your resistance, because I believe there is a gap open of the candle. There is a gap here. That's why this candle close like this. This candle open up like this. But right now we have resistance form right here, right? Or you have resistance form right here too, and the candle closed bearish. Okay, so understanding the candle that enable for you to push down, you need to see top wick first before driving down, right? To fill, if you have volume, to fill this range towards to the left hand side here, right? This one. So you're gonna see this wick fail on the left hand side, because that's how you're gonna tell the story of the candle, right? The wick fail, the close below, close above the range, right? So right now in the 4-hour time frame here, we're heading to resistance. We top the resistance on the left hand side here. As you can see, you have resistance on the left here, and then your next resistance is up here. And the candles close without top wick here. The candle opened without top wick too. Close without top wick. The candle no top wick open of the candle. So if the candle close without top wick here, you know that you don't have range to drive up, right? So you will see some hover here, or close like this, or close like this, or like that, and then the next candle will drive down to refill the wick on the left hand side. So that's how we gonna anticipate the 4-hour time frame. And 4-hour time frame is about to close. Still have 1 hour and 4 minutes left. Let's have a look on the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, as you can see, we have moved towards to the downside. You have resistance now, right? And then this candle close with a little bit of body, close bullish, but indicates you that the buyers is getting lower because of the close of the body, right? It's getting weaker. And then as you can see, push down further, we still have range to fill down here, I believe, in 4 minutes. So we want to see some closure below, or if the candles close bullish, we might see potentials buy too. All right, we're heading up towards to the upside, rejecting, right? So you can see you have resistance on the left hand side here. You have next resistance here too. This is your level for support, right? And this is our range to fill down on the left hand side on the sells, right? And probably rejecting here, probably we're gonna wait for close below the range for sell, right? Like this. Once you close below the range, you're good for selling down, because you know the fact that you have volume into the market. London session is open, London session is happening, so we anticipate that. But right now the 30 minutes is trying to drive up here. It's about to close in 3 minutes, so man, let's gonna wait here. All right, your support, our support, man, it push up already. Our support is here, so we're gonna wait for a closure below. We're gonna wait for some closure here for sells, right? For buys, we still have range to drive up, but let's see. Right, my resistance is up here, right? So we're inside the range of 86 pip, 88 pip range. So right now the volume is normal now, right now, chat. right? As you can see, the candles are um 40 pip candles on the 15. It's not like this candle before last week, right? As you can see, it's so volatile. But right now, it's pretty normal. So we can have a good trade this week because I believe we don't have news for today. Yeah, we don't have news for today, chat. As you can see here, we have for Canada, but USD we don't have tomorrow. Yeah, we have news tomorrow. So, but today we don't have news later tonight. So yeah, gang, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. This is my analysis for today. I'm gonna look for buys inside the range. Let's see how this candle close, right? Because we still have range to fill up. We still have 45 pip range to fill up to mirror this move on the left hand side here. So this is the move happening, right? So technically you're gonna mirror that. Let's see. Let's see, gang. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. And let's wait here. Let's wait here. Oh, we're pushing up, filling the range once again here. Shout out to 41 viewers. How you guys doing? Good morning to you all, man. All right, man. We feel already, chat. So technically, I don't want to take buys because we feel the range already. As you can see, the 15 minutes candle move 70, 80 pip already. So we're gonna wait here, gang. We're gonna wait for some resistance to take some sells, probably. But if there is a lot of volume here, let's see how this candle close. No top wick. Wow, 1 hour rejection here. See the 1 hour rejection. No top wick on the 15 here. No top wick on the 30. 30 is pretty ugly, bro. No buys, no sells, man. No buys, no sells there. Right, waiting, chat. Waiting here, man. No top wick. Cannot do anything. We cannot do anything. Chat, if you have any questions there, you can drop in the chat. One hour is pretty ugly now, man. This week, liquidity graph. Yeah. $220 pip on the daily. All right, we have volume here. We're pushing up, but probably all-time high again today. All-time high. We're gonna reach all-time high once again. Nice. Buying, yep. So technically, as you can see here, you have liquidity grab here. You top here, right? You re-break the previous candle low on the left hand side here, and you feel the range already. Then you react, you reject. Now this is your liquidity grab to push up further. But the problem here is 50 minutes time frame has no top wick closure. So if the candle has no wick on the close, you don't have range to drive up. So technically, you will see hover, hover, hover before close, and then the next candle will push up further. But we're not taking this buy because it's still on the resistance area, right? We cannot take buys inside the range. So probably if we want to take buy, we're gonna go out of the range. Once we see closure above, let's have a buy on the next candle. But if not happen, I'm gonna take sell once this candle close above and then the next candle close below too. Back in the range, now I'm good for selling down because I know the fact that this candle is the faked out candle to drive back down once again. Does make sense? This is my concept, chat. How I anticipate this concept, right? Showing you guys in the live stream the concept of how the candle closure, how the candle tells you the story of volume and direction. So right now we cannot do anything here. I'm looking for buys if the closure is like this. It's good because still have range to drive up. But if the closure is like this, we cannot take buy because our advantage here is probably 22 pip. So probably for me, I want to take buys a minimum 30 pips and above. So right now, right now you top the resistance, you react there. So what will happen next, right? You probably push down, but we cannot take sell because the candle's still open, right? See that volume up and down, up and down. So right now we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Shout out to 52 viewers. Chat, make sure you like the stream, all right? Like the stream and subs to the channel. Right, as you can see, chat, the 30 minutes time frame are starting to hover because of no top wick closure. No top wick, you hover there, you probably retrace, and there's right now, chat, there's no direction, all right? So we still have chance for selling and buying. Right now there's no direction, as you can see here. Still respecting the high here, respecting the high here. Because if this structure wanna push up, it will push up to fill the range towards to the left. See that? So I'm telling you some story, chat. As you can see, yesterday we don't have news, right? So Monday we don't have news, right? You didn't see any movement, like big movement happening because we don't have news. No catalyst moving into the market. So technically, if you want to trade, you need volume, right? So right now, the same yesterday, we don't have enough volume to trade because no clean range, no clean traffic. We don't see that. If we don't see that today, it's fine, man. We're gonna come back later tonight on the NY or tomorrow in the live stream because we need to follow the plan, right? The trade is always there, but the question is, did you follow your plan, right? If you don't follow your plan, man, you're gonna blow your account. Yeah, shout out to my boy Philip from the Philippines. What's up? What's up? What's up, brother? How you guys doing there? Making too much money, huh? This guy. So right now, chat, 7 minutes for closure. I'm not gonna take sell here because of this closure. The body is weak. The body is less, right? I want to see big body closure before taking sell, right? Because as you can see, we move towards to the upside. This probably the faked out candle, right? This probably the faked out candle, right? To drive back up once again here, right? So I want to see close above the range first. Once we see close above the range and then go back in the range, man, we're good for selling down here. You have clean traffic to the left. We'll take that. Following the plan. That's it. Do you guys follow your plan every single trade, chat? Type in the chat, man. Even though you take L's, if you follow your plan, you're good. But if you didn't follow your plan and you take L's, that's bad. That's bad habit. Did you think that trading is a business? Did you think that trading is won't give you a lot of money here, even if you have if you don't have any edge, right? Because trading, it takes time. Trading is all about emotions, right? Emotions, ups and downs. Yeah, if you don't follow your plan there, if you break your plan, you trade that, it's okay, but you're building the bad habits there. Okay, so the thing here is, if you follow your plan and then you take trade, you take L's, you're good. Because you're adapting to those plan, you're adapting to the strategy, right? Emotions will come, you know. Emotions is there always. If you're taking trades, the emotion is always there. All right, we're breaking above. We're breaking the highs. Breaking the highs. The 4 hours about to close. Man, this is interesting. The 1 hour is still open. Oh, nice, man. 4 minutes for closure, chat. Man, I cannot take buys here. I want to see close back in the range. Once we close back in the range, that's the probability. All right. Three minutes and 30 seconds. Chat, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat and let's have a chit chat here while we're waiting for the setup. Coach, how you long did it take you to be confident in your trades? It took me confident 1 year, right? Because I need to learn the strategy, I need to adapt, I need to find setup, I need to find the edge. So it took me 1 year to learn the strategy, and then from there, I become consistent, losing and winning, losing, winning. All the strategy is really working, chat. All the strategy is really working. But the question is how you gonna work with that strategy, right? So that's why you need to create a playbook. It's called playbook, right? Along inside the playbook, you need to build your setup. You need to build your entry, and what else? Journal. You need to journal the trade because from there you're gonna adapt the data. You're gonna collect the data with the wins, with the loss, with the break even. How do you measure to calculate the pips with trading view? In the real ruler here, measure. This is the measure, and then click here on the bottom and then to the top. Now you have 64 pip. That's how you're gonna calculate that. Wow, volume here, gang. Too much volume. All right, close above the range. Heading to the resistance now here on the left. I don't know if this candle will go back in the range once again. Let's see here. Because we've moved, we know the fact that we'd move here, right? Probably this is the direction for the day. What we're gonna wait here is retracement. And then bullish closure. Push up. Let's see. I wanna see this go back in the range. Yeah, make sure you like the stream here, alright? Like the stream and subs to the channel. So Bitcoin is recovering, huh? Mhm. Ten minutes for closure chat. 10 minutes. Can we close back in the range? Right. 30 is about to close. Six. Chat, if you have more questions, you can drop in the chat, all right? Drop in the chat. And like the stream here again. Can I see 35 likes here, chat? Shout out to 54 viewers. Can I see 35 likes here, chat? Like the stream, gang. All right, gang. 2 minutes for closure here. You re-break the high here on the resistance area. Two minutes for closure. Um, all right, man. 1 minute and 30 seconds, chat. Let's see here, gang. 1 minute for closure. 1 minute for closure, chat. Locked in here. You re-break the high. We're good, even though you didn't come back in the range, but you re-break the high here. Let's see. 1 minute for closure. Hmm. 20 seconds here, chat. Locked in here, gang. We might see. You might have potentials. Good closure for 15 here. Top wick and flip up the candle. Probably. Top wick. I wanna see top wick. And flip down. All right, man. Sell stop on the rebreak of the previous candle low, chat. Sell limit on the rebreak of the current candle low. It's a sell stop, not execution sell. It's a sell stop, sell limit, all right? Sell stop or sell limit. I will tell you, Cha, if I'm in already. I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet, Cha. I will tell you if I'm in already. Not in yet, not in yet. No volume, huh? Don't want to push down. Not in yet, Chow, right? So I'm still here. Not in yet. Sell limit. On the re-break of the previous candle low, chat. Sell limit there. Current candle low. Can you re-break that? Man, no volume, huh? Can you re-break and push further down? Alright, chat. I'm activated on cells here. Got the cells stop loss probably above the current structure high here. 40 pip stops, and the full TP is probably down here. Activated on cells. Let's see here, gang. If we got some dubs today. Oh, push down, huh? What's that? Man, it pushed 14 pips, chat, but I didn't manage anything there. It go back in the position. It's fine. That push is so fast, chat. Didn't manage anything there. So still on the trade here. If you close above here, man, we're gone here. But if not, we're good. There's the resistance. You guys managed to go out of the trade or what? I believe we picked 14 pips here. Yeah, 14 pips. We picked 14 pips. So if you manage to go out the trade, it's fine. You're good. Still in the trade, alright. Cha, if you don't like the trades here, you can go out of the trade, alright? If you're in the trade, if you don't like the trade, you can go out of the trade. Let's see what will happen here. Ipan para bumaba. Yeah, man. 6 minutes for this 15 close. Can we push down now further? Once you re-break the low here, chow on the 5, probably gonna move the stops to break even. Once you re-break that. All right, chat. Closing half of the position here and moving stops to break even here. This is gonna be risk-free here, chat, as we plan. Moving stops to break even here, gang, and let it run towards to the downside. W is in the chat, bro. That's how we trade, gang. Dubs in the chat, man. Dubs in the chat. All right, 14 pip. 15 pips. We good. Let her run towards TP here. There's some room for grabbing down to wick. All right, chat. Closing 4 right here at 16 pips, chat. No top wick on the 5. No bottom wick on the 5. So I'm going to close here at 16 pips. If you want to hold that, you can hold that. But 16 pips on the dot. See that? 5 minutes closure, no bottom wick. So I'm probably going to go out of the trade and take that W, man. Right, gang? That's how we trade, bro. That's how we trade. Dubs in the chat. Dubs in the chat. W's in the chat. 16 pip trade. Wow. Sells plus 15 pips. 16, sorry. 16 pips. And stream record. 24 wins, 5 loss, 1 break even. We're good here, gang. Congratulations. Well, 30 p.m. London Gold. Dell. It's onion. And the rebreak of the current high low. 15 and full. Wow, 28 pips. Chat. 28 pips. We picked 28 pips here. 2 minutes for closure. I mean, it's probably gonna melt down on the next 15 minutes candle. That's why I go out of the trade because of the 5 minutes close without top wick here. And yeah. Melting, chat. Melting. Melting, melting, melting. Coach, ano po meaning ng mga entry type and setup type mo sa journal? It's that's the name of the setup, bro. That's the name of the setup. Breakout. The onion is technically like this. So we played out onions. We stay in the range. All right, we stay in the range here, and the onion will play if you have, yeah, this is the closure. As you can see, closure like this, right? So this is the scenario of this is gonna happen, what, this closure. So you have bullish momentum, okay, you're pushing up, all right, and then the next candle re-break the previous candle high there, and then you close bearish. As you can see, this move, right, this move is this the same with this. So the onion will work when the candles open up, create top wick, and then push down further, and it will move like this because now you have resistance, right? So this is your resistance. You have clean traffic to the left hand side. This is your clean traffic towards to the left hand side, and then you're good for selling down. That's the setup, and the setup called onion. We called it onion. I don't know, they called it onion. So I'm adapting on that. This is not my my setup. I just duplicate it with anyone with my mentor. So yeah, and I just building innovate this setup because technically before the onions they said pushing up, okay, like this, and then like this. So they're saying this is the onion, right? And then I want to see re-break. So I'm back tested this setup, right? And it's, for me, it's valid once you re-break the previous candle high. So you re-break there, you're good. You grab the orders, you grab the liquidity here, you're good for selling down on the next candle, right? But the normal onions is like this. You have only top wick, the normal top wick. You didn't re-break the previous candle high or what. This is the normal onion, but I innovate that. I create that concept that you re-break the high there, you're good for selling down because you grab orders. You need to grab orders first here, like this, before selling down. And as you can see, we anticipate that. You grab orders here, right? You grab orders here and then push down further, right? As you can see the move. So that's how we anticipate that. And I never catch the whole move because I know the fact that we are still bullish. As you can see, bullish. This is just the retracement to continue back up. Does make sense. Thank you po, coach. You're welcome, brother. Right? 16 pips there, chat. W, main. W on the day, chat. How many guys are winner today? Can I see the winners today, chat? Can I see the winners? Spam some dubs in the chat. Chat, can you spam some W's in the chat, man? Spam some W's in the chat, bro. Yo, chat, if you have any questions there, you can drop in the chat. How many of you guys got the trade, chat? Man, before we're 60 here, now 43. Yeah, too many people default. Chat, make sure you like the stream here, gang. Like the stream and subs to the channel, alright? Like the stream. Wow, 40 pips. Coach, ilan lot size mo dun sa 30, 16 pips kanina? 10 lot, bro. It's 10 lot. It's a lot. I'm greedy, bro. So I'm gonna put 10 lot. I'm super greedy, man. I just have 2 lot. So I got 268 dubs here. I'm not greedy, man. Just 2 lot there and I'm good. I never do high risk. I'm always following the risk management. I'm always following my risk management, the plan. So yeah. Because if you do high risk, man, for example, you risk 30% of your capital, probably 10 or whatever. If you got the drawdowns, man, you're gonna have margin call. You're gonna have margin call there. And you're probably gonna blow on your account. So careful on risk. Careful how to risk. Sometimes I'm risking 5. Sometimes risking 3 lot, 4 lot, 5 lot. Depends on the market, right? But right now, that's why I risk. Normally, I risk 3.5 lot in one trade. But I've seen a lot of volume. That's why I lower my risk. That's how you're gonna adapt to it. You're gonna lower your risk and wait for the volume to come. Because last week we've seen that the volume is getting higher, right? Super volatile. So I cannot risk 3.5 lot there. It's too much. And the stops is quite big. So that's why I lower my risk, drop down my risk to half of the risk. So I can manage it easily. For me, I'm changing my risk depends on the market, how the markets move. How many trades you guys do in a day? Type in the chat. How many guys? How many trades you guys do? Wow, 1 to 2 trades, huh? 1 to 2 trades. Nice. Make sure you're following 1 to 2 trades a day. Because if you don't follow that, you're breaking your rules. You're gambling, gamble your money there. All right. So if you're consistent trading 1 to 2 trades a day, you're good. But if you're breaking 1 to 2 trades a day, man, you're gambling. All right. So here's the thing. If it's not part of your plan, if it's not part of your rules, keep in mind you're gambling, all right? But if it's part of your plan, it's part of your rules, now you're good. You're following your plan. 5 trades, yeah. If it's part of your plan, the 5 trades, if part of your plan, you're good. But make sure you're following your plan. Most of the time, coach, wala pag hindi ko po maintindihan yung chart. Okay. Cool. Different times of the day. Yeah, you're good. If you have more questions about the trades, you can ask me, alright? Sa gold lang kayo Yup. I'm just trading gold, that's it. I'm not trading BTC, I'm not trading any pair, but right now I'm focusing on gold. You better focus on one pair first. Because you're gonna practice how you're gonna adapt in the market, how you're gonna know the move of the market. Then once you master this, if you wanna move to the another pair, you're good. You can move that. But for me, I'm just staying in the gold. Chat, like the stream, man. We got the trades already. You got the dubs. Now my favor is you like the stream. That's it. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be stream anymore, chat. If you're not liking the stream, I'm not gonna take trades anymore. Like the stream, man. Support to the channel, bro. Support to the channel. Like the stream. Share it with your friend. Share it with your family. Now this zone is valid. All right. So now you're in the side range. Any close above, any close below, you're good. First time to watch here in your channel, coach. Do you do this daily? Yeah, I do this daily. Monday through Friday. 12 p.m. Dubai time. 12 p.m. Dubai time. Yeah, man, just show up in the live stream here. You're gonna learn a lot of things. You're gonna learn about trading, psychology, mindset. And chat, if you're looking for broker, we have here called Erante. All right. So if you want to check it out, you can check out the spread too. And we have 50% bonus on your first deposit bonus. First deposit. They have 50% bonus. You can check out, create create an account and check out the spread. So yeah, man. Chat, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. There's no minimum deposit. Like I believe $50 you can deposit or $20, but you can check it out using that link. Check out and yeah, you can have demo account to check out the spread and yeah, it's all about spread. You know, you're gonna compare with the other broker and to another broker how the spread's going on. Because the spread for me, I like the tight spread because I do technically I do scalp, so going for tight spread. Yeah, the spread's good. No props, W. All right, gang. Probably gonna call it the stream here, chat. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, right? If you're gonna trade on the London, on the New York session tonight, make sure you have stop loss, chat, and don't lose your profit here. All right. So yeah, man. I'm gonna call it the stream here. Thank you guys for coming. See you guys tomorrow. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. Love and wisdom. I'm out here, gang. Peace, peace, peace. Thank you, guys. Peace
Yes,
out.
I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. You realize that you are a champion. You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And hey, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the